At the revered shrine of Shah Rukn-e-Alam, a mesmerizing sight unfolds daily. A huge number of pigeons gather in harmony, pecking at scattered grains of wheat. The air is filled with the gentle flutter of wings and the soft cooing of hundreds of birds. Devotees often bring wheat as a humble offering, feeding these peaceful creatures in an act of spiritual charity. The courtyard becomes a sea of grey and white, alive with movement and devotion. It's a beautiful blend of faith, tradition, and nature coexisting. Visitors pause to admire the serene scene, capturing moments of calm in the heart of Multan.